Like we couldn't have done this 10 days ago?
Oh, he's getting clear.
I can't believe Rob's missing this. Oh, the door's open over there.
It's pretty amazing, I can look that far.
Daddy.
What?
No,
Oh, we'll watch in a minute, buddy. Let's watch this tractor. He's doing big
We
stuff.
don't get to see this this often.
only that guy, Mommy.
We're going to bring him down from the school bus.
Wait for them, buddy. They're helping us out.
Why
Because they're going to dig out the whole street.
Bye-bye.
You see he's chasing them down. Oh, don't chase him that far. You got to dig this out, buddy. Don't go too far. Oh, don't do that. Oh, you're going to piss off. Oh, Colleen's going to be very pissed off.
No, he's going to scoop it all up now.
No, because the truck went way down the street. She's going to be very pissed off.
Huh? What's he going to do now?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
This guy has to be very careful not to lift his bucket up or he's going to hit those wires.
He's going
Yeah. Don't lift your bucket up. Oh, here he comes. He's going to come all the way down the street.
He's going to scoop it all up the side there.
He's going to dig it all up, too. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Look, he's going to go to the truck down there. Look, he's getting all the snow.
Oh, he's going to dig it all up and he's going to throw it right in her yard. Oh, my God.
No, he's going to dump it in the truck down the street.
No, the truck's not backing up.